Right-click on the part folder and create a new part document using a steel part metric template and confirm. Rename the part document table row part and then create a new sketch. Right-click on the graphic area and use sketch command. Use rectangle command. First click on the y-axis and give the second point to draw the rectangle. Adjust the dimension for the length 100 mm and the width 60. If necessary, you can define centering or remove centering. You can see here we remove the centering, and if you want to add this constraint, right click on the dimension, use define centering option and select the element, for instance x-axis. Confirm the sketch, and from the shape tab use extruded command. Give the height 17 mm and confirm. From the top face, you can right click on it, select the face, right click and use sketch command again. And once again, create the rectangle from y-axis and give the second point. Adjust the dimensions, 30 mm for the length and 20 mm for the width. Just make sure you have a center dimension. Next step, use circle command by diameter. Give 25 mm for the diameter and click on the x-axis. And then to adjust the position, add the constraint between the center of the circle and the side of the rectangle and give 35 mm. And confirm the sketch. From the shape tab, use boss command. Boss command, it allows you to create the shape plus make a union. As you see, you have two profiles into the sketch number 2. To get only one profile, you can use rotation picking. Just place the cursor on the profile that you want, hold the left click and press right mouse button several times to see all solution. And if the profile is in a highlight colors, you can release the button. Once again, place the cursor on the profile that you want, hold left click and right click, successive right click to see all solution. And then if the highlight is selected, you can release the button. If you want to get the rectangle, once again place the cursor, hold left click and in the same time right click, successive right click to see all solution. And then if you see only the rectangle, you can release the button. For the circle, give 5 mm and confirm the boss command. Automatically, the sketch is hidden by the boss operation. If you want to see again sketch by entities tree, you can check sketch number 2 again. And once again, boss command. Place the cursor on the rectangle only. Hold left click and successive right click of the mouse to see the rectangle. Give the height 35 and confirm. Create a new sketch, start the sketch, and select support plane XZ plane. Use the rectangle command, select X-axis, and give the second point. Adjust the dimensions. For the next step, to place this rectangle, you can create a simple line from the origin and the rectangle. Once again, second corner and the corner of the shape. Switch these two lines in construction lines. Right click on it, construction, and then it's possible to give the same length by equality constraint. Select these lines and confirm. Confirm sketch. And from Shape tab, use Pocket command. Use Truth Limit. Check Truth Over option and confirm. For next step, creating 3-face fillet. Expand fillet command. Use fillet faces. Use fillet between 3 faces. Select the first side, second side here, and the last one, opposite face. And confirm. Now use a regular fillet on all shape, on the wall shape, edges section, and you can check shape edges option. Select the shape and give the values 2 mm for the fillet and select the shape. And confirm. And now for the characteristics, you can change attributes, change the color. You can play with transparency option. You can right click on the name in a PDM tree in the project tree, properties, edit button, and use, like in previous exercise, description and part number. Confirm. The last step, change the material. Confirm. Save and close the document.